Matrix is basically you have rows and columns, right? That's the
Exactly,
matrix.
exactly.
Got it. Yes. Got it. Like a table.
So see, we are going to focus on Pandas.
Yes.
Actually, Pandas is a Python library, you can say as library or a module,
Yes. Got
which
it.
is used mainly for data
Data frame
analysis.
analysis. Got it.
It is used in big data analysis. It's used in big data.
Big data. Okay.
It's a part of data science. Like I told you already, coming to data science, it's what? It's a combination of maths, science, and Python. And we are going to analyze visually, correct?
Yes.
That's
Yes.
data
You're right.
science. Again,
Correct.
we use Pandas to load data sets
Got it. And we have different type of
and
data
work
load,
with
right?
and work with machine learning
Learning.
algorithms. We'll be learning different algorithms. In that, for loading data sets, we need Pandas. Okay, it's similar. It's in
Got
terms
it.
of, you can say Pandas. It's a type of data structures. It has two types: series and data frame.
And data frame. Got it.
We have one more thing called panel. Actually, it has different options. It has one dimension, two dimension, three dimension. Series is one dimension.
Got it.
Data frame is two dimension.
Two dimension. Yes.
We also have one more thing called panel. Let's not focus on panel. Panel is it's like more than two.
More
So
than two.
let's
Okay.
focus only on 1D and 2D. Okay.
Got it.
So data frame is one of the most important part of Pandas. Like whenever you load a data set, okay, you have to analyze like what are the information there, like minimum value, maximum, everything. So for that, data frame plays a major role. Okay.
Got it.
Let me show the difference between series and data frame first. Okay. First, you have
Yeah.
to import the module called Pandas.
Pandas. Yes. Pandas as
It takes a
PD.
variable, some PD. Okay. First, let's start with
Yeah.
series. So I'll give some S1. PD dot series, it's S is caps. See here, I'll put like this: some 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay.
Got it.
Let's first print series. Then let's first print type of S1. Then let's print S1 dot n dimension. This gives whether it's a 1D or a 2D. Now see, let me run the program
Got
now.
it.
See, it's beautifully. This is series. So what is this is you can see here. First one is 10, 20. 0 is 10. Index 0 is
So
10.
yeah.
Index 1 is like
Got
this,
it.
correct? And what is
Got it.
type?
Yeah.
It's a series. It's one dimension. Got it now?
I got it. Yes.
Now
So what
same
is the
next.
difference?
Yeah, tell me.
So in them that means the dimension. How about the shape? Can we use the shape?
That's about I'll just tell you now. See,
Sure.
see here. 5 rows. Got it?
Got it. Yes. Five,
But we
five,
cannot
five.
use, we can use shape here, but we cannot use info and all. I'll tell you. For info and description, you need a data frame. Now, say, I'll give an example of data frame. Now, see a difference now. I'll declare a variable df, some pd
Yeah.
dot data frame.
Data frame. Yes.
Okay. Let's create something like 100, 200, 300, 400. Okay.
Yes.
Now, print df. Now, print type of df. Print df dot n dimension. Now let's print df dot shape.
Shape. Okay.
Print df dot info. Print df dot describe. Now see here. Got it? See. Describe gives you the clear-cut idea. Number of records, count, mean, median, everything. Info, type of this, like whether it's a data frame like this. Shape, 4 rows, 1 column. N dimension is 2D. Got it?
Got it.
Now same, check here. Try now. Print s1 dot describe.
Describe.
You
So
cannot get
describe.
describe. See, describe
So
gives, see here. Describe gives you this one. It is series. That's the N dimension. Float everything.
okay.
Now check print of s1 dot info. We cannot have info here. Got it? Info works only in data frame. Understood?
Yes, understood. Yes.
Because it's
And
two dimensional.
describe.
So only I'm saying, so whatever data sets you have to convert them first into a data frame.
Yes.
Got it?
Got it. Yes.